Are you stuck deciding between wallpaper and paint for your next home project? Well, let's break it down. By the end of this video, you'll know which option is the best for your space and style. So let's go. If you're new to my channel, my name is Yolanda Brooks, wallpaper consultant and interior decorator for all your wallpaper and wall covering needs for residential and commercial spaces. I'll bring you insider tips, tricks, design inspirations, and expert advice to make wallpapering easy, fun, and stress-free. From DIY hacks to industry trends, product reviews to installation guides. This channel is your one-stop destination for all things wallpaper. I invite you to subscribe to be a part of my journey in discovering the beauty and the versatility of wallpaper. So, let's dive into wallpaper versus paint, the ultimate showdown. So let's start by talking about the 5 key comparisons. Let's talk durability. You might be wondering, will my walls look fresh for years to come, or will they need constant touch-ups? Well, the answer to that is high-quality wallpapers can last 10 to 15 years without fading or peeling, while paint often requires touch-ups every few years. Okay, so cost. What's your budget? Sure, some wallpapers can be pricey, but how does that compare to the cost of paint over time? Well, my answer to that, while quality wallpaper might seem expensive up front, it often outlasts paint and offers more value in the long run. Just think about the total cost over the years. Installation, DIY dilemma. Installation can be a major deciding factor. Is it a DIY project you want to tackle yourself? While paint requires prep and multiple coats, modern peel and stick wallpaper is a breeze to install. Just measure, peel, stick, simple as that. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button because this is an important way to support my content and share my knowledge and information with you. Design options, unlimited creativity. When it comes to design, do you feel limited by paint? So let's explore the options. My answer to that is wallpaper offers endless patterns, textures, and even 3D designs that paint simply cannot match. You can create a unique atmosphere with wallpaper that paint cannot achieve. Maintenance, the easy choice. Think about maintenance. What's easier to keep looking great? Wiping down a wall or repainting it? Well, my answer to that is wallpaper. Especially vinyl is washable and easy to clean, while paint can chip and poor quality paint can rub off with heavy stains, therefore requiring more frequent maintenance. Less effort means more enjoyment. So which will it be? Wallpaper or paint? Here's the truth. You can have both. Paint enhances the beauty of your space, while wallpaper creates the mood, sets the tone, and it tells a story. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which option you prefer. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert design tips and see you in the next video. Peace out.